Hey guys, how's everyone doing? So, week of the week, really quick. Found a different watercolor studio. Emma Jane, I'm not even going to try it. I like the MJ watercolor, right? Studio. I'll leave a link. And I just noticed some of my links don't seem to be working, so I'll try to go through and check that on all my old videos. Make sure that they do work. Sorry about that if they don't. Yeah, so lots of different things here on this website. A lot of different sort of information, but I like the way the lessons go because they're straightforward, right? And there's a playlist. You can see all kinds of different things in the playlist. Lots of things. It's organized, but it's so much information, right? But they were nice, easy beginner watercolor projects, right? So I can open that in a new tab. Nope, didn't want to do that at all. Whoopsies. Let's try that a different way. So we can view the beginner watercolor projects. So there's a whole bunch of things here, right? Which is good for beginners, right? So, and there's also another tab that's beginner watercolor drills, right? So where to start, beginner series, right? That one's pretty good. So yeah, I just wanted to share this with you for a minute or two, and invite you to kind of go over there and check it out. All right. As always, if you like things, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe so you know when the next video gets posted. Give me comments, things or people you want me to do or sort of lead everyone else to. Because remember, this is a resource channel, not about me being an expert on lessons. All right. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.